I have these cylinder vases from the Dollar Tree, and I am going to use these to create some centerpieces. So here I have some clear marble. So I'm just going to put about third in there. Clear acrylic gems as I ordered them rather on Walmart.com, and they're just little heart ornaments. Hope you can make that out okay. So I don't need the gold string, so I'm just going to remove the strings and drop a couple of hearts inside. Okay, it took me a minute to situate these the way I wanted. So I'm going to come in with just some regular tap water, and I'm going to fill it almost all the way to the top. Uh-oh, not what I had intended. But here I've picked up some floating candles from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to go ahead and put those. Picked up two of these cute little candle holders, some red acrylic paint, and red glitter. That's all I'm going to need for this DIY.
Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures, and welcome if you're new. My name is Courtney, and I love sharing my passion for decorating, DIYs, thrift flips, everything purple, and so much more. Honey, you are getting the whole lifestyle right here. So if you enjoy that type of content, you have reached the right channel. Today I'm creating some quick and easy DIYs for Valentine's Day. So I hope you enjoy them. Let me know in those comments which is your favorite. And I'll catch you next time.
And this is the third coat, and I think that covered pretty well.
While the third coat of paint is still wet, I come in with my red glitter and glitter the entire piece and allow that to dry. For the last step, I come in with some Rust-Oleum clear gloss sealer, and I seal my entire piece and allow that to dry. And voila, DIY is completed.
For my next centerpiece, I have these red Dollar Tree gems. So I'm going to come in and put a nice layer on the bottom. And then I have these foam roses, and I have them in red and white. I'm going to lay in the roses.
I continue to layer in my gems and foam roses until I am 3/4 of the way to the top. I actually could have went a little bit lower, because once you add the water, the roses float all the way up to the top, which really wasn't my desired effect when I had it in my mind, but I do love the way it came out. And you can choose to add a floating candle or not. Here I added the floating candle, but when I added my centerpiece to my table, I took the floating candle away. So you could do it either way. So I hope you enjoyed these DIYs that I put together for you today and that they give you inspiration for your Valentine's Day table. Here's a look at all the DIYs I did for Valentine's Day. I hope you enjoy them, and I hope, again, they give you inspiration. So until next time.